In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a dynamic monthly calendar in Google Sheets. Start by opening Google Sheets and creating a new blank spreadsheet. This will be the base for a simple calendar and a connected to-do list that updates automatically when you change the date. Next, set up a single cell as your date selector. Click cell F4 or any cell you want to use, but I will use F4 for this walkthrough. Go to the top menu, choose Data, then Data Validation. For the criteria, select Date is valid and click Done. From this point on, F4 will behave like a controlled date input. This is important because the rest of the sheet will look at this one cell to decide what to display. Now create a small task tracker section. Use one column for dates, such as column C, and another column for tasks, such as column D. The idea is simple. Each row is one task, and you assign a specific date to it in the Dates column. Try to keep your list within a consistent range because the formula you add next will reference a set block of rows. With the tracker in place, you will add the formula that pulls tasks for the selected date. Click the output area where you want the dynamic task list to appear. Then type this formula exactly. Your array constron if error filter $D$4 $D$53 C4 C53 =F4 ein verfusking 6. Press enter to apply it. Here is what it is doing. Filter looks down your task names in D4 through D53 and only returns the ones where the matching date in C4 through C53 equals the date selected in F4. if error keeps the sheet clean by returning a blank instead of an error when there are no matches. Finally, arret_constrain limits the visible results to a maximum of 6 tasks in a single column, which prevents your calendar area from being overwhelmed by a long list. At this point, when you click into F4 and select a different valid date, the task list updates automatically to show only the tasks assigned to that day, and that is all there is to it.